Can you tell what we're doing today? We're putting new seats and harnesses in the Rally Miata. Those are the current seats that are in the Rally Miata. Why are we replacing them? Well, as you might be able to tell, these seats that were in the Rally Miata are massive. They're really awesome, they're really comfortable, but they're massive. If I'm wearing a helmet, I literally can't fit in the car with these seats in there. The last rallycross event we went to, I actually had to replace the seat with a stock seat just so I could fit in the car without hitting my head on the roof, which obviously is bad. Number two is these don't have the best side bolstering. They're not bad, but they're not the best. Number three is weight. These things weigh literally like 10 pounds at the most. These ones on the other hand weigh probably about 50 pounds. It's pretty bad. That's why we're switching seats. The other awesome thing, this thing has a hole for the 5th point, so we can have a 5-point harness with this seat. This seat, you can only have a 4-point harness with. Obviously, 4-point harnesses aren't exactly the safest because of submarining. The reason why we're getting new harnesses is because we want a 5th-point harness and because we want actually SFI approved harnesses. So I can pass tech, they're legal, they're not dangerous, and yes. I also just want to thank Track Dog Racing for the seats and all these extra goodies that they sent with the seats, like a beanie to keep my shaved head warm, and this awesome banner, and a ton of stickers, and some other things. If you guys are looking for anything for your Miata, check out Track Dog Racing. They got a ton of really awesome Miata stuff for Miatas. So, yes, thank you Track Dog Racing. Just a couple of 14mm bolts. Screw you. This one is at least 4 inches shorter, significantly skinnier, and significantly lower. It's a little dirty. Wow, that literally took me like 2 seconds to put that in. I remember when we installed these seats, like the bracket didn't actually fit, and I had to like drill out all the holes like twice as big, and it took me like 3 hours. 3 minutes or 3 hours? I choose 3 minutes. Oh yeah, that's good. Sick. Oh yeah. Before we put the seat back in, I'm gonna go ahead, clean it up a little bit because it's a bit dirty, take out the old harnesses, and I'm also going to drill a hole for the 5th harness, the 5th point of the harness, of the new harness. Yeah, so these harnesses are actually like safety approved. They're SFI 16:1. The old harnesses I had said they were, but I did some research, and this approval thing, it's fake. This is the fake one, this is the real one. Don't trust these lies. Very long.
What did you say?
Alright, we got the seat in. It works, so we're gonna go put the seat cover on. The nice thing about these seats is if I ever get them muddy while off-roading is these are machine washable, so I can just rip them off, put them in the washer, and boom, we're done.
Oh yeah.
We put some washers underneath the front bolt to lean the seat back a little bit, and it's much better. I really like my seats leaned back quite a bit. But yeah, they're awesome. All right. Look at that. Oh, that looks so much better. But this steering wheel ruins it. That yellow stitching is just so ugly. There we go. Oh yeah. Already just sitting in them right now, so much better. I set up these harnesses to be like incredibly tight, which is awesome, but it's also just kind of uncomfortable. I literally can't move at all when I'm in this seat. It's so safe. I feel so safe. And I'm sitting so much lower, it's just so much better in every single way. A lot of you guys don't like the sound of this thing. It saddens me a little bit. And like, I get it, it's kind of annoying, but it's also just so cool. The diff worked then! Oh gosh, this is so fun. Whee! Oh, you can hear the tires screeching. Driving this car hard now feels so much safer. Like, I'm not scared at all. I've got so much more confidence. Just because these seats are actually like holding me in, and oh, it's so great. The wideband gauge is definitely acting up a little bit. I think it's time to get a new wideband. It's not liking life. Now, note to self, the Rally Miata, the e-brake sticks. One day I drove it to Target, I put the e-brake up, and then when I drove it home, the rear brakes caught on fire, even though the e-brake was down. So yeah, the e-brake catches on the calipers, or I don't know. Just don't use the e-brake in the Rally Miata. The door cards, cover up right there, are coming tomorrow. So we'll install those, and then we'll fix this damn wideband, and then we'll go race it. I know there's been a lot of Rally Miata videos recently, and a lot of them have been just kind of small stuff. But now that this thing is pretty much done, we're just gonna rip it for the next 2 or 3 months straight. We're pretty much gonna be going to some sort of event, some sort of motorsports event every single weekend in May. First weekend it's a rallycross, second weekend it's an autocross, then 2 drift events, and I'm just so excited to finally use my cars. Going around corners fast in this car on the street, a little sketchy. It likes to oversteer, but it's got like a really nice balance to it. Like, if you bring it to the edge of traction, it's perfect. No understeer, no oversteer. If you give it a little bit too much power though, it definitely likes to oversteer. That's what I call a rally car. It's so perfect. Actually, funny thing about these seats, the name of these seats are rally sports seats. Camera, what's going on here, bud? Why are you so bright? This thing is awesome. It's so cool. It makes me so happy. Shout out to Andrew for giving me this sick keychain, even though I sold my RX-7. Looking at it from right here, it looks a lot like a warthog from Halo. And that makes me so happy because I love that game. And it just, it looks so cool. It's like aggressive and like, aluminum door cards. I'm gonna be making some custom aluminum like floor pans. Gonna clean up the pedals a little bit. And then of course, new steering wheel because I hate that thing. Gonna put all that stuff back in. I'm just waiting for a new panel. With that, that is going to be it for today, guys. I know it's a shorter video, I'm sorry. A couple more days until we bring this thing to the rallycross event. I'm really excited. It's gonna be a fun trip in the bus. It's gonna be fun rallycrossing the Miata. The course we're going to is supposedly a higher speed course, so that's awesome. I'm excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a like. If you didn't enjoy, please give it a dislike and just tell me why so I can improve my content. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We've got tons of awesome stuff coming with this car and other cars. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace out. Goodbye.